Hi, you guys. Happy Saturday. It's February 1st, time for a fresh start again. I wanted to share what I did in the month of January, which I think helped me make more conscious choices. So here you go. I have three diaries here to share with you. Let me share one at a time. So, this is a regular planner 2020, and I've had a planner like this for years. This one is basically to jot down my regular, things that I have to do, places I have to go to, commitments I have, or meetings that I have, lunches that I have to go to, my kids' classes, etc. So that's just a regular planner. But rather than putting it on the phone, I'm still old school where I like to write down things and then check mark it. But this year, I actually added two more things. So this is a little one, 2020. Now, this is my diet diary. So let me show you an example of a week. It has all the 7 pages listed like this. So basically, what I'm trying to do is log everything that I eat in a day, starting from the morning till night. And on this section here, I write BMS, which stands for body, mind, and soul. So in my book, I talk about the golden hour, which is 60 minutes total. 20 minutes you dedicate to your body, 20 minutes to the mind, and 20 minutes to the soul. Here, I'm making sure if I'm getting that done or not. And then from this week, I see that I'm really not giving time for that mind. M stands for mind, and mind, to help my mind, I suggest meditation, looking inward, right? So now I know what I'm going to be working on next week. I did check mark all the S's, which is the soul. So I'm feeding my soul with inspirational readings. I've been reading a lot of books, and I'd be happy to share in another post what I have been reading. For the body, that's the movement, the exercise. Even if you get 20 minutes a day, that's great. So this is that. And then diet wise, like if you're writing everything that you're eating from morning to night. So for example, if I'm making an almond butter and chocolate bread for my kids, I really don't need those extra calories. But I know unconsciously, like I was just eating it before. Also, when I would make, say, pancakes for them, the leftovers is rather than throwing it away, the mom eats it, right? I know you ladies relate to me. So I'm trying not to put unwanted things into my body, make more conscious choices, because if I make a bad choice, I have to go and write it in my diary. So that's my diet diary. The last one, it says, keep calm and let's do this. So this is for my work. I want to contribute or learn something that helps me in my work every day. So I'm trying to open it to the page where I was writing things to kind of show you. Let me see if I can get it. So this is like a monthly thing. So you can have a look from, the beginning of the month till the end of the month. Like, what did you do? So there are some days I'm like, oh, that was really not helpful. Maybe I should have done this. So I just wanted to share these three diaries with you, not to overwhelm you, but to keep you organized, to help you make more conscious choices. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great weekend. Enjoy Super Bowl tomorrow. Bye bye.